Okay guys, had a call out for TruGreen because after they sprayed the first time, rained really good and the dollar weeds weren't dying. But after the second service call, 5 days later, in this video you'll see a before and after of what the dollar weeds look like. So y'all stay tuned. I'm here with TruGreen. Brent came out. We called because we're on the golf course and the weeds are intruding from that. Chris was spraying there, and I didn't ask him to come out, but they did. So that's the service you get with TruGreen. But he's going to go through and treat. What are you going to do, Brent?
I'm going to go ahead and retreat these areas for the weeds in the front yard, and then going down the property line on the golf course side.
Okay, so we still have the dollar weeds in the yard. They are dying, and we have some flowering weeds over here, and then we have a whole line of golf course, which the golf course just waters the crap out of our yard constantly. So he's going to take care of this, and I'm going to go get in the shade.
I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Thank you, Brent. Oh, Brent, that was really fast.
Seems that way, but I can tell you that I did a very thorough job hitting all the weeds, even in the backyard, under your shaded area. So these dollar weeds and these other flowering weeds, probably about 4 or 5 days you'll start to see them yellow. So
That's great.
yeah. And even that nutsedge that you were asking me about before.
So what should I do after this? How should I mow the yard tomorrow or?
No, what you're going to want to do is wait about 4 or 5 days before you cut.
Yes, sir.
And then water on your next watering day.
Okay.
Just as you would normally, and then at least once a week.
Well, thank you, and thank you for coming out, Brent. This is awesome because yard's looking awesome.
Well, we wanted to continue to improve and get these weeds out of here for you.
And if you're interested in service with TruGreen, just check out. I'll leave a link down below for TruGreen, and one of these friendly service professionals can come out and do your yard for you. Y'all please take care.
Thank you.